Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to add free shipping method in our Wix store. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix dashboard and we are in setting. You see multiple option and then you see shipping, delivery and fulfillment. So click on it and then you see shipping and delivery. Customer can't purchase physical product. You must add a shipping region to sell physical product in your site. So click on new region. Now you see region 1. Add the destination in this region. Now select. So you can select country according to your requirement like Pakistan. You can select United States, United Kingdom, it's up to you. And then you see shipping. Apply shipping rate to this region. Now select free shipping for this region. If you want, you can have flat rate. Now select free shipping. And then you see option name free shipping. Estimate delivery time 3 to 5. So you can add business day according to requirement. If you want, you can add local delivery pickup. So it's up to you. You can add pickup location and then click on save. And then you see region 1 edit. So we are going to add more regions. So click on it. Now you see region 2. Now select. Click on it. Rest of the world. And then if you want, you can add free shipping for rest of the world. We select this and then click on save again. Now free shipping method saved. Now go to website and then click on add to cart. So click on it and then view cart and then you see delivery free Punjab, Pakistan. So you can set free shipping according to requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.